What's going on, guys? Shevon here, back with some more PS5 content. And as promised, since my PS5 unboxing, I said, guys, I want to show you what the webcam look like. I'm going to do the mic test of the headsets and also the controller. So I already talked about the controller, talked about the headset. Now it's time to take a look at the camera. So this is a 1080p camera from Sony. And also, just to save some time, let me just tell you guys some things that you probably want to know before even watching the entire video. Alright, so this camera, it does not work on PC. So if you want to buy this camera to stream games on your PC, it won't connect. I'm not sure if there's any third-party adapters or anything, but as of right now, plugging it straight to your PC, you'll get no signal, it won't work. Secondly, it will not work on your PS4. So if you're trying to use this thing on your PS4, it will not work. I'm not sure if there's any third-party adapters, but just plugging this thing straight into your PS4, it won't work. Thirdly, if you have a PSVR from your previous PS4 and you want to connect this with it, it will not work unless you have a PS5 VR adapter. And actually, Sony is giving out free PS5 VR adapters to people who already owned or purchased a PSVR since the PS4 or whenever the PSVR came out. So if you have a PSVR, you could go onto Sony's website and register and get the adapter. So once you have the adapter, then it could work on your PS5. Next up, how's the adjustments on this thing? It's pretty good. You could clamp it onto the bottom of your TV or at the top of your TV. And also, this is how it looks on my monitor right here. So this is the adjustability we have right here. As you guys can see, not much range. But for this monitor right here, this is a BenQ monitor. And as you can see, it sits on top pretty nicely, but not much adjustability. Now, this is my Alienware monitor right here. And as you guys can see, it fits perfectly well. Easy to adjust. I would say it normally would fit any TV, and every TV is probably thinner than monitors right now. So I don't think that should be any big of a deal. But as I said before, super adjustable. So I don't think you guys have to worry about that. And if you don't have anything to mount it on, you can always just leave it flat like this in your hands. And yes, it has two cameras. I think it's because of VR. But yeah, the design is nice. I like it. Lastly, the cable is not detachable, it's attached. It's a 6 feet cable, so you have a lot of wiggle room, 6.6 feet exactly. So you could have a lot of space in order to get this thing up and running. But now, for you guys want to see, let's look at the quality on my PS5. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we go. If you want to find where the camera settings is, first of all, if you want to adjust your camera, you'd have to go down to accessories, camera, adjust HD camera, and from here just take a few pictures to make sure your camera is set up well. But this is what it looks like right now, and this is where my camera is on my monitor. As you guys can see, there's not really a lot of lights on. I just have this one light over there, and this is the quality we're getting. Now if I want to get real fancy, I could turn this light on, but we won't do that right now. Now if you want to set up the camera for the stream, you'd have to go to captures and broadcast, then go down to broadcast, video quality, yep, 1080p 60, choose your different frame rates, audio, then you want to go to the camera. So from here, you could see your face right here. You could change the size of the camera, medium or large. Let me just use large for now so you guys could actually see it. The clipping mask is for the green screen. So if you want to use green screen, you'd go to chroma key, adjust the green screen level. So if I had a green screen behind me, it would like remove everything. That's why it's spazzing out right now. I don't have a green screen, so it won't work. But for example, if we get the scan, which is green, and we adjust the chroma, you can see the green on the can is kind of disappearing. So yeah, that's what the chroma does. You guys know on Twitch, you always see people with green screens. Also have the hex cutout, so you could use this if you want to. Square, circle cutout, but I just always use none. Now you have effects you could use, comic, pixelated. I don't know why you would use any of these. No, this one kind of looks cool. Monochrome, black and white. You could also change the brightness. If it's kind of dark in your room, this would be good. Let me actually turn off the lights. All right, so it's basically fully dark. And if we up the brightness, we could see more, but it's not that visible. You know what I mean? It's not bad. But that's what it looks like in complete darkness with the brightness. As you can see, after a couple levels, it starts to show grayish. But at least we could see more, right? But let's put that to default. Contrast. Put the contrast as well. Nice. Transparency. I don't know why you want to do that. But that's an option. And now I'm going to turn all the lights on to see what it look like when it's perfectly lit. Side light on. Turn my actual light on. So if we look right here, you can see we have this light right here, PS5 camera, and then that light right here is lighting my face. And you guys can see it's not bad. If you have a lot of light coming in, the quality actually looks amazing, as you guys can see. And then I also have another light over here, but it's kind of yellow, but it could act as like a side light. But man, this looks good. I wish it was 4K though, but it's very smooth. See the if it has autofocus. I'm not sure if it has autofocus. You can see the infrared on the camera. But yeah, this is the quality. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. All right, it's pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Let me know down below in the comments what do you think of the camera. Is it worth the price of $60? Was the quality good or bad? Could Sony have improved? I think they could have gave us a 4K camera since the PS5 is all about 4K and stuff like that. I'm sure the PS5 could handle it, but 4K is not onto here. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the camera and also what PS5 content you want to see next. Stick around if you want to see my PS5 headset mic test on the PS5. I already did it on the PC, but I'm going to compare the PC audio quality to the PS5. So if you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed. As always guys, love, peace, and tweaks, signing out.